شيء ويا ده أصل
Hello friends, it's me Sajjad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm at Whatipu beach, one of the beautiful beach in West Auckland. Very beautiful scenery coming here, very good for fishing but hard to come here and dangerous spot. This is the place I want to fly my drone, very risky but worth to fly and record the beauty of Whatipu. As soon as I fly my drone, these two birds start attacking my drone. I've been waiting, thinking the birds will go away, but birds not leaving and continue attacking the drone. I was confused to land the drone or to fly. It's very low, but the way birds attacking the drone, I could feel birds not going away and they will hit the drone soon.
استاثر يا ست اسمعني يا ظالم نربح كذا بس لجيدي مرورو ډاډه کیږي ها صحیح خیال دی
I tried to take my drone close to the hill for some time and see if the birds leaving, but it didn't work. Drone keep going close to the hill and I lost my control and it's hit the hill and crashed.
ټول مشو کنه یاره شی ویا دا اصل کې دا خیال دی ډومبې چې کې بیا ډاډه شي کنه خو دې کتو
Unfortunately, the drone fell down in the water. The drone is not waterproof, so it's mean I lost my drone. ختم بني دا خو بو Lucky I managed to pick up from the water. The reason I needed the SD card to watch the last recording of the drone before it's crashed. So this drone is not waterproof and I don't think it will work, and if it's working I'll be very lucky. Couple of panes been broken and some body parts.
دیگه چې کوم ریکارډینګ شوی هغه هم ترې لاړو نه خو ریکارډینګ خو شوي شي لاس شو زه خو یم دې کې اوس نه کېږي دا یوازې دا خو نه ده لکه دا خو په هر ځای کې په اوبو ته خېږي څه مطلب دا دی چې دې کې به دننه به څه سیسټم داسې نه وي نه وچي بیا ترې کول غواړي Hermana, how you found today? Good, but we have bad luck, you know. Our drone hit by a rock. That's why we lost our drone. Yeah, little bit. Look at that. It's broken. The paint. And it was some parts of the drone have been broken too. Yeah, one of the blinking. Yeah, and so all of the paints. It's been just struck from her own place, you know. Yeah, it needs a fixing. Bad day. Yeah, bad day. And we lost our drone. Yeah, that's why we are a little bit worried, you know. Yeah.
That you can't at high tide. Hi.
بس وسيبك كده سكينه ما